My name is Julian, and we're gonna make lentil soup today. So the ingredients are cilantro, lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of black lentils, 1 cup of green lentils, a potato, a bunch of Swiss chard, Himalayan pink salt, and 3 onions and extra virgin olive oil. Why don't you do this? Right now we're washing cilantro so it's not dirty, and we don't want any ants in the cilantro. So first we will wash the cilantro and cut it up. What we're gonna do is chop up all these ingredients and get them organized before we start cooking. First we're gonna cut up these onions first because they take longer to cook. Fill up this bowl with 1/3 of the way with cold water. There we go. It's almost a max heat. Now we're gonna dump the potato and lentils in on high. Here go the lentils. Here goes the black lentils, 1 cup of them. The lentils and the potato cooking. Now we're gonna saute the onions with salt and olive oil. Dump the olive oil. Now we need to smash the garlic. Now we're going to put the garlic with the onions and put the garlic with it. Next, we cut the cilantro up and put it in the bowl. We actually use also the stems. Now we mix the cilantro in with the garlic and the onion. It's really big, so we have to get 2 pans. Now we're cutting the Swiss chard. The Swiss chard to the potato and the lentils. The onions are now almost done cooking. We're about to mix them in with the potatoes and the lentils and the Swiss chard. Now we're going to mix in the onions, the garlic, and cilantro with everything else that is in this pot right here. Now the second pan of onions and garlic and cilantro. Now we gotta let this simmer for 35 minutes. Now as it's simmering, we need to add salt and pepper to the pot. After simmering the soup for 35 minutes, now add lemon juice. Okay, so this is lentil soup. This is the end of my video. Hope you guys liked learning how to make lentil soup. This is my grandma's recipe. She does have her own cookbook. Bon appetit!